I'm going to show you the best Webtoon coupon promo code. Now, there's two ways we can get the promos. First off, we can participate in their event. Right now, there is an event called Coin Rate. If you read 20 episodes, you'll get 5 free coins completely free. But after that, if you want some more traditional coupon codes, I'm going to show a couple on the screen right now. These are a couple of coupon codes that's currently available. You can pick and choose any which one of these to use in Webtoon and to get a couple of discounts and a couple of promos when you buy a subscription on Webtoon, be it subscription, coins, or any other things. For example, here, you can see on any one of these, you do need to pay a couple of coins to read a couple of these, I'm pretty sure. So it doesn't hurt to use a couple of promos on how to do that. If you're wondering how you can redeem this promo code, first off, you just have to go to the coin shop here, and you can see on the bottom there is a button that says promotion code, and you'll be entered into a screen like this where you can enter in your promotion code just like that. Now in here, make sure to enter in your promotion code. It's pretty case sensitive as well, so if there's a capital letter in the promo code, give it a capital letter. If there's numbers, then give it a numbers, and then just tap on apply there on the button to apply your promo code, and you're done.